Hello all, welcome back to our channel. So students, in this video I will give you a certain tips and tricks whether how you need to pass in your subject IT applications for management. Okay, so by watching this video you will have the clarification about your subject, so easily you will get passed in this subject. Basically IT application for management subject is damn easy and easiest subject in whole semester 1. Okay, so Seema, your IT paper is only for 40 marks. Okay, so time duration is 1.5 hours only. Okay, you are not having any case study in this passing in this IT subject. Okay, so for 40 marks, passing marks is equal to 16 only. So 16 is the passing marks out of 40 marks. Okay, so here in the if you have attempted 5 into 2 marks questions, so 10 marks you will easily able to get it by attempting short questions. Okay, and coming back to the long, if any one attempt, if you have any attempted any one question perfectly, it will carry 6 marks. Okay, so each question consisting of 6 marks, so that is called 6 marks you will able to attempt it. So 10 plus 6, 16 marks means when you have learned 2 units, so 2 units if you are learning means definitely you will pass it in the IT subject. Why I am saying like that means, see, if you have learned 2 units means 2 questions you will attempt it, means 6 marks into 2, which is of 12 marks, and 2 marks question you will attempt 4 marks, no, so that is 4 marks, and any attempt in remaining questions also you will attempt anything. సో పాస్ అవ్వాలి అని అంటే 16 మార్క్స్ మీరు స్కోర్ చేయాలి. 16 మార్క్స్ మీరు స్కోర్ చేయాలి అని అంటే మీరు లాంగ్ ఏవైనా 2 రాసి సరిపోతుంది. సో ఏవైనా 2 అని అంటే ఏవైనా 2 యూనిట్స్ మీరు నేర్చుకుంటే సరిపోతుంది. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఈజియెస్ట్ యూనిట్స్ మీన్స్ చాప్టర్ 1, చాప్టర్ 5 is also easiest unit you are having. Okay, so if you have prepared these 2 units very well also, you will easily pass in IT subject. Basically one day preparation kuda more than enough for the IT subject. So mana channel lo already explanation videos I have already done, so if you want please go and check out in our channel. If you having any further doubts, let me know in the comment section. So ఏవైనా 2 units మీరు ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వండి. either if you feel second and third unit is the easiest means you prepare that only, but in the examination attempt every question. 1.5 hour లో minimum to minimum 2 long ఒక 5 short అయినా attempt చేసి రండి, then only you will easily get passed in this subject. Okay, so this is all about the video. If you like this video, then do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel and share with all your friends and groups. If you are having any further doubts, let me know in the comment section. See you all in next video. Bye bye everyone.